Matthew Boyle, and I'm with the Sylvia Group Insurance Agency out of Dartmouth, Massachusetts. You can also connect with me through Gordon Atlantic Insurance, which is located in Norwell, Massachusetts. Today I'd like to talk about condo insurance. And condo insurance can be some of the more difficult insurance policies to write. The reason being is because there is a master insurance policy through the condo association. And as an agent, we're going to need to know everything that we can about the master policy in order to make sure that your policy is written correctly. In order to do that, we're going to need a copy of the bylaws that the association has written. If we can, it'd be great to get a copy of the master policy itself so we can understand what the deductible is, the master deductible, because again, you very well could be responsible for some of that. There's two types of master insurance policies. One's a studs-in policy, one's an all-in policy. And real quickly, studs-in policy, the master policy is going to be responsible for rebuilding the dwelling in the event of a loss up to the unit with the studs in, and then your insurance policy is going to be responsible for everything from the studs in, putting the walls up, the wall covering, the floor covering, fixtures. All-in policy, the master policy is going to respond rebuilding the dwelling and the unit itself, putting the walls up, the floors up. And then your insurance policy would be responsible for your contents, of course, and perhaps your betterments and improvements, and that master deductible. So as an agent, it's imperative that we get that information so we can understand how we can better protect you with the correct coverage. Once we have that, we can put the dwelling coverage together. How much coverage are you going to be responsible for your dwelling and your contents? Your contents coverage, that's going to be, you turn your unit upside down, everything that falls, that's coverage under your contents. So it's going to be your furniture, your electronics, your pots, pans, your socks, your shoes, everything. And you have to determine that. Unlike homeowner's policy, your coverage aid dwelling gives you a percentage of what your contents are. For a condominium policy, that's up to you to determine that factor. I hope this information was helpful and useful to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me through Gordon Atlantic or the Sylvia Group.